Hey everybody, so this is Ree. I decided to do a quick little video saying hi, what's going on for the week. I've been kind of busy, but as you can see, I'm still playing in makeup, trying to get the hang of everything. Today I just decided to go with in blue and green. You can't really see the blue, kind of sort of toward the end. A blue and green look. I'm still trying to master the cut crease whole situation. I have been up all day watching videos on how to cut a crease and how to do this and how to add this on top of this and then set that and go the most. But I think I did pretty good. As far as my lips, don't even ask me what the hell I have on my lips. I have about 5 or 6 different lipsticks that I put on, rubbed off, put stuff on top, and so this is just what they are right now, and I'm going with it. I'm in the process of editing my next video. It is going to be such a beginner's video. If you're learning, let's learn together, because when I tell you, I struggled. I struggled through this one, but like I said, I think I came out kind of good, and I'm curious to see a year from now where I'll be. My face, I personally feel I've mastered. I know how to do my face. I know how to do my contour. I know how to do my blush. And I don't contour my nose. I might get into that, but I really like my fat nose, so I don't contour it. I'm learning how to do the eyebrows, and I waxed them earlier today just to get like some of the extra fluff from under it, because I felt like it was just interrupting my whole process of even trying to be kind of cute. But got that, and then I of course drew these on. It's all gonna be in the video. But again, if you have pointers on how to cut a crease, or a private video you can send me, or somebody you can reference on YouTube, just send it to me. Because like I said, I've been watching all day, and I've been watching Brianna Marie and Amy's Makeup Box. I think that's her channel's name. Amazing. But it's like they go, oh, this is just a simple video. Let me show you. And they do 15 steps in like 10 seconds, and it's like, okay, you end up with this. You see that? But all right, like I said, let me go ahead and get to the editing of this video, and thank you to my 3 subscribers. So hopefully when the next person watches this, they'll be like, 3 subscribers, and they'll go to my page and say, she has like 10,000 subscribers. How cool would that be? But everything in time. Let's play together.